Hey everybody, Professor Benelou here with a look into Unit 4. Look ahead and what you can expect to Unit 4. Okay, so Monday, which will be June the 8th, I will be having my office hours as usual from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then Tuesday, I will be holding chat number 4 at our regularly scheduled time. Check your class for the schedule. It will be, like I said, as usual. Okay, Unit 4 is a big week because of Unit 4 discussion board. Remember, you have two important writing assignments in this class, Unit 2 discussion board and Unit 4 discussion board. Unit 4 discussion board is coming up this week, so you should be diligently working on that. Okay, so your due dates this week are as follows. On Tuesday, which will be June 9th, you will have your Unit 3 in Telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, and that will wrap up the Unit 3 assignments. Okay, so Unit 4 discussion board, like I said, extremely important. Friday, which will be June which will be June 12th, you have two important things due. Firstly, you have your Unit 4 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then secondly, on June 12th, you have your Unit 4 discussion board original post due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. June 12th, you have to turn in your original post. Your original post is where you answer the prompt, you choose the topic, and you discuss the topic that you have chosen. So that will be due on Friday the 12th. Okay, then Tuesday the 16th is also a very important date. You have two things due that day. Tuesday the 16th, first thing you have due is Unit 4 in Telepath by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then secondly, on June 16th, you have your Unit 4 discussion board responses due. And that's where you respond to your fellow classmates. Remember, you have to respond to two of your classmates. And remember, this time it's a little different when you respond to your classmates because each of your response posts must be 100 words in length. Okay, so get working on that Unit 4 discussion board assignment, and please do not hesitate to ask me any questions. I posted two videos of me explaining the Unit 4 discussion board assignment yesterday, and I posted my PowerPoint. So in the announcement section, it's my two videos. And then in the discussion board section, it's the link to the videos in its my PowerPoint presentation. So dive into this Unit 4 discussion board assignment. You should be working hard on this assignment. And please don't hesitate and let me know if you have any questions. And have a great week, everybody.